Hey guys, so today we're in my kitchen and I'm going to be talking about the Caraway pans. I first saw these pans on Ashlyn Eaton and I bought them because they were really cool and I loved the color. I don't know what color she got, but I got this one. And I bought all four, the set of pans with the 3 lids and the lid hanger. So this is not a sponsored review. And I thought I would talk about the pros and the cons. I've had them now for maybe 3 months, 2 to 3 months. I'm not exactly sure. So some of the cons of these pans is when you pick it up like this, it's like the only way you can pick it up. You can't do this because this is really hot. But I always want to do this, so I burned myself a few times. That's really one of 2 things that I don't like about it. Other thing is that I always want to pick it up right here, but here is too hot. They have this little bump that after this bump is where it gets hot. So I always want to pick it up with my other hand right here. Some pans have like a little like thing to pick up right here too, and it doesn't have it, so it's really kind of hard to pick up. You have to get, where is it? You have to get one of these, and I'm holding the camera so I can't really do it, but I'll use one of these on the side or underneath with one hand while the other hand does this to move it. You see how this pan has a handle here and a handle here? The little pan does not have that handle here, and it's annoying. So now that I've talked about what I don't like about it, I would love to tell you what I do love about it. I love how beautiful they are. I love how they match. I don't know why, I just love how they match. I really enjoy the storage system. That's one of the main things I liked about the pans, because we have a very big kitchen, but because the storage areas in our house are minimal, like we have 1 closet in our entire house that's not in a bedroom. Because our storage space in our house is so minimal, we use these cabinets over here as storage space, like for lawn and gardening, homeschool stuff, tools and things. So I liked that it came with its own storage space that I could just set out on my counter, set up really easily. It's there, it's fine. I use these pans whenever I cook. They're my preferred to-go pans now, and I probably use each single pan once a day. We have autoimmune, as I said before, problems here. I cook almost everything from scratch. My husband is doing the keto diet. I'm gluten and dairy free, and my kids will eat anything. So that's kind of what we're doing right now. It means that I'm usually cooking multiple things for different people. I still do like really easy things like sandwiches, but I'll make everyone a different kind of sandwich. My kids will have cheese, so will my husband because he's keto, and like I'll make a carb for me and he'll have keto bread. But we're still using lots of different cooking surfaces because I'm gluten-free. You know, I will toast my sandwich in the smaller pan and toast my kids' sandwiches in the larger pan, so I don't get any cross-contamination. So today I am just making some quesadillas for my kids with chicken and cheese in it. It's super easy and quick. And I just warm those up and flip them over in the pan. And both of these things clean up super easy. Like the quesadilla, there's like a piece of cheese left on there, and it just comes right off. I can scrub down the potato pan super easy. That's another thing that I really love about these pans. They clean up super duper easy. It's a breeze. I've never had an issue with anything sticking. I have used them in the oven, but not as much as I use them on the stovetop. So I've made a whole chicken in the biggest pan. I don't know what the names of the pans are, guys. I'm not a chef. But in the very biggest, like, soup pot pan or whatever. I have made chicken before. I have made stir fries in these pans. They're really great. So in conclusion, they are very pricey. Yes, they're expensive. I think they're worth it. I would buy them again. compared to this pan that I got from Walmart, it got scratched in about 4 to 6 weeks, I'm not exactly sure, but it has 2 scratches on it. And so I'm not going to use that one anymore. And it says it's a green pan, so it's made out of the same material, but it got scratched so easily, and these ones have not been scratched. I'm very careful with them. I'm careful with all of my pans because I don't want to waste money. But I have seen definite difference. So yeah, there is a review of the Caraway pans, and I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Let me know what you would like me to review next, or if you want me to start making videos here again. I think I will. Bye.